Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make tamago to wakame no soup. It's hearty and nutritious soup using egg and wakame seaweed. Very easy to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this tamago to wakame no soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 3 eggs, 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed, 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce and salt, 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, and some green onion to garnish. Put 800 ml of water, salt, soy sauce, and the soup stock, and bring it to boil. While you wait, let's slice a green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. This is just to save your time. Let's make thin slices. Let's beat the eggs in a small bowl. Once the soup comes to boil, add the beaten egg little by little as you swirl the soup. Turn the heat off and add dried wakame seaweed. Let it sit for 3 minutes to allow wakame seaweed to rehydrate. Let's serve in the soup bowl. Garnish it with some green onion. And tamago to wakame no soup is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. Let's have some ingredients first. And the soup. You can sip it straight from the bowl in Japan. It's so comforting and easy on my stomach. Something you want to have every day. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. The soup goes here, and let's have churhan, Japanese fried rice here. These dishes contain enough protein, so let's pass the main. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about garlic cabbage for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.